What's up? It's me again. So we're doing a poking video on different kind of slime. I only have 3 more slimes left, I think. Let's go check. Let's go check. I don't know. Count that right now. Right now in the comments below. It's really pokey. I love the slime. So let's get to the different slime. Ooh. So what's up? I'm back again. So I have an H3 on my face. And it's poke. It's so stretchy, guys. It's so clear. I don't understand how you guys do this, but it's just awesome slime. So there's 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do it 2 hands, okay, guys? 1, 2, 3. Oh my God! Guys, what happened? Well, what happened? I didn't even do it. Guys, let's go with this. So yeah. So yeah, guys. Sorry, I was looking over there. So let's do this. So clear, guys. Right? It's so amazing. Look at. It doesn't even do the crunch. So sad that it doesn't do the crunch. I'm gonna swirl with 1 hand, guys. Let's do it. It's gonna be so pretty. Let's do this. It's butter slime. Looks like butter slime. So awesome. So let's go to our next slime. So this is a glossy blue slime. I don't know what to call this. So comment down below and give me a thumbs up. So yeah. So this is really good slime. And comment down below if this was in Tide, liquid starch, or borax, or the ones that are in the kit. So yeah, comment down below and which glue was out. Clear glue, glitter glue, glossy glue, whatever. Comment down below, please, please, please. So comment down below. If you know this song, from the hashtag, whatever, guys, if you guys know this song, if you guys know the one of the hatch, if you guys know, I messed up. Okay. So I have soda over there. I'm gonna drink it for a little and come back here and change the song. Okay. But we have to do one more thing, a swirl. You guys saw was the thing. Okay, look at guys. With 1 hand. Challenge. I bet it's not butter slime, but it's okay. I understand. It's really pretty blue slime. It's not actually blue slime. It's purple slime. If you could see the difference of it. Now comment down below if you think this is blue slime or purple slime. But it's not. It's purple slime. It looks so insane. I'm gonna make a bowl. Guys, it's so crunchy. But not right now. So yeah. So I made that biggest one. Nervous. This is really good slime. It's glossy. It's really good slime. So comment down below and go into my soda. Okay. So yeah, I'll put the slime away. So goodbye. I'll go. Oh wait, I mean this way. I mean this. So my pink slime, looks like purple, but I don't care if you guys think it's purple. So I'm gonna drink my soda. So yeah, it's really good. And yeah, it's really stretchy, really crunchy, and it's really glossy and cookie. I'm gonna add a container to it, but I'm gonna close it and then try. It's really sticky, sorry guys. Sure. I'm gonna put a container because I added it in like something else than a container. But yeah, this is really pretty slime. If you guys think it's just hot pink or light pink, it looks like hot pink or something. So it looks so pretty in here. Just kidding, it does. It looks so pretty in here. No, it doesn't. It's all messy because look at little stuff everywhere. Brother stuff over there. Sorry, guys. I have 4 brothers, and I'm gonna have one more brother. So I'm the only girl. Check, please. Comment down below, please, please. I'm the only one. Girl, I'm the only girl in my family. So sticky, guys. So yeah. So I am gonna show all the slimes. One, and wash my hands. So one. Wait, guys. I got this so wrong. 1, 2, 3. So these are all my slimes. So yeah, guys. These are all my slimes. My bubblegum slime, my ocean slime, it's dark ocean slime, whatever. Maybe I don't know what to call this. So comment down below. These are all my slimes. So I have much more slimes at my dad's house. If you want to see my other videos at my dad's house on this phone of mine. So guys, this is really good slime. So goodbye.